In this module, we're going to go over the different styles of hybrid vehicles. We have the mild hybrid, full hybrid, and plug-in hybrid. An example of the mild hybrid would be the Chevrolet Malibu e-Assist. Full hybrid is a Toyota Prius, and the plug-in hybrids would be the Ford Fusion Energy or the Chevy Volt. We're also going to talk about electric vehicles, with the examples being Tesla or the Chevy Bolt. What is a hybrid? A hybrid is any vehicle that uses electricity to help the internal combustion engine move along. First one we're going to talk about is the mild hybrid. Example would be the Chevy Malibu e-Assist. And the Malibu e-Assist has a gas engine and a generator. The generator allows the car to shut off while it's coasting, while it's braking, and when it's at a stop. A lot of new cars also have this feature, but those aren't considered mild hybrids. They also have a bigger battery, anywhere from 36 to 48 volts, that also assists with the process. Fuel savings for this would be anywhere from 10 to 15%. Next, we're going to talk about the full hybrid. The Toyota Prius would be an example of the full hybrid, and these are the ones that are best known. It has a gas engine and an electric motor. The electric motor can move the vehicle at slow speeds, up to about 25 miles per hour, and for short distances, under a mile. It also has a larger battery pack. Generally, it's made out of nickel metal hydride, and they're going to be from 140 to 340 volts. There also are lithium-ion batteries, similar voltages. They charge a lot quicker. And then we also have, on the full hybrids, regenerative braking. Now, regenerative braking turns the electric motor into a generator when you're going down hills, pushing on the brake, and what it does is allows energy to be routed back into your battery. Regenerative braking also, because it's helping slow down the car, will allow for your brakes, your normal brakes, to not wear out nearly as quickly. Now, the fuel savings on a full hybrid will anywhere from 30 to 40%. Next up is a plug-in hybrid. Ford Fusion Energy and first generation Chevy Volt are examples of that. Still, gas engine and electric motor, but the electrical capacity is a bit bigger. We can go 10 to 50 miles on pure electric at highway speeds. Once we're through with the electrical energy, the gas engine will kick in and will help power the car along. They also have regenerative braking. And, as it says in the title, plug-in, they need to be plugged in order to be recharged. They can be anywhere from an hour and a half to 3 hours, depending on your outlet. Electric vehicles. Teslas or the Chevy Bolt are good examples. Electric vehicles actually aren't hybrids at all because they don't have the gas engine. What they do have is much larger battery packs. And because they have the larger battery packs, they have much farther range. Anywhere from 50 to 250 miles, depending on the vehicle. And every year, they're coming out with a new car that can go even farther. One downside is charging. With your normal household outlet, it can take up 10 plus hours to fully charge the batteries. With a 220 outlet, which would be your dryer or electric stove, would take 6 to 7 hours. And if you're fortunate enough to own a Tesla, you do get a little bit of a help there. With 30 minutes from a supercharger station, you only get 80% of a charge. Big downside, there are only four supercharger sites in the state. Big upside, lower maintenance costs. No oil changes because you don't have an engine. And also savings in brakes because they also have the regenerative braking. Some examples of cars that qualify for the program would be the Ford C-Max, the Honda Civic Hybrid, the Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, Toyota Prius, and in total there's 37 models that qualify for the program. Make sure you check out our website for the entire list.